Hey everyone, Jake with Trugard here. I want to show you the next tray size that we have, which is a 72 by 72 center drain. Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit more complex in the sense of you have to make a couple cuts. So it's not difficult. You're just going to have to do more than a 56 by 60, a 32, a 48, and a 48 by 72. So I'm here in the warehouse. I just pulled these out. Okay, you've got your regular 48 by 48 center tray. Then, just like the 48 by 72 video that I posted earlier, make sure to go back and watch that so you can kind of see how we extended that. So how we're actually going to do the 72 by 72 is we're going to take that 48 by 72 tray video and we're actually just going to expand on it. All right, so here's some of the differences that you're going to have and things that you'll need to do. So right here, we've got two things here, okay? So you have our regular tray here, which you can see has this 45-degree angle cut, all right? So you're actually gonna need to cut all of these trays on one side, one 45-degree angle. As you can see, there's two, but you're only gonna need to cut one. Just like this one here, it's been cut up here at the 45, but down here it's still flat. And I'm going to show you why here on the tray, but I just want to explain something here real quick. The 48 by 72 tray here, all you're going to need to do, I'll show you right here, okay, is cut along these 45 angles and they will fit perfectly together. But as you can see, I just took this already cut one. We're going to want to cut this one off. So one thing you're going to want to do is definitely dry fit this whole tray, put it down on the floor, maybe even number each of the pieces, number of the extensions and things like that to make sure that you place it in there properly and make sure you have all the cuts on the right side. If you don't and you do accidentally cut one of the wrong sides, it's totally fine. You can actually just take that cut off corner and thin set it back down on the floor right next to this piece and no harm done. You're gonna receive 3 boxes. You're gonna get an extension box, or it may come in one of your other boxes with your membrane unboxed, or you're gonna receive 2 of these boxes. You're gonna get 8 of these 12 by 36 pieces, okay? Here's one kit, right? 4 pieces, and here's 2. So you're gonna receive 2 of these, or 2 of these boxes, pre-packed 4 in a pack 12 by 36 extensions. I've already pre-laid it out, so all you're gonna do, line those up after you've made your cuts, okay? So I'm gonna grab this regular full piece here, and again, like everything, these are all sloped 1/4 inch per foot. There's a thick side and a thin side, so make sure you put the thin side towards the drain so that everything slopes properly. And like I've mentioned in previous videos here, these don't have interlockings like these trays do. Totally fine. You just put some thin set in between here and on and here up against the 48 on these sides and on these sides. So you're just gonna thin set here, squish it in, thin set here, thin set there, and squish it into place. This is a cut piece. It's kind of hard to see with the contrast, all white here. So this is a cut piece on a 45, and this is a cut piece on a 45 as well. And this is why you don't cut both sides, because you're going to have the center here, which is just going to be straight, which are going to connect together. All right, so I'm going to grab the last cut piece here, and again, I could have laid it on this side, but the slope would have been wrong because the thick side would have been towards the drain, so water would have sloped the other way. All right, just put that in place, and now you're all done. You've got a full 72 by 72 shower tray. You're gonna get one 48 by 48 center tray. You're gonna get 2 extension trays, which is a total of 8 12 by 36 individual extension pieces. Hope that helps. Leave your questions, comments below. Give us a call, 678-367-0350, or email us at support@trugarddirect.com. Alrighty, thanks.